Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix send error on Coinbase wallet in 5 simple steps. Let's go. Number 1, check network fees. Ensure you have enough funds to cover the network/gas fees in addition to the amount you're sending. Network fees vary depending on the blockchain's current activity. Number 2, verify wallet address. Double check the recipient's wallet address for accuracy. Any error in the address could cause a transaction to fail. Number 3, ensure network compatibility. Make sure you are on the correct blockchain network. For example, if you're sending Ethereum, ensure both wallets are on the Ethereum network. Number 4, check internet connection. Verify that you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can interfere with the transaction processing. And number 5, restart the app and try again. Close the Coinbase wallet app and completely reopen it. Then attempt the transaction again. If the error persists, contact Coinbase support for further assistance.